Question: the field that uniquely identify person, object, event, record is called dash answer key. Next question: pen is drive, answer a removable second storage unit. Next question: the rectangular areas of screen that display programs, data and or information, what are answer windows. Next question: how many days does the picture message stay in the private inbox? Answer 30 days. Next question: which device is placed between the PC and the telephone line? Answer modem. Next question: dash are the output device of a personal computer? Answer speaker, monitor and printer. Next question: what is the ability to quickly locate an item in a file? Answer file allocation table. Next question: registers are high-speed memory elements which are located in answer in ROM or EPROM. Question: which is a group of related records called answer spreadsheet. Next question: what is the storage capacity of a floppy with 3.5 size? Is answer 1.1 MB. Next question: which one is clicked to obliterate a text? Answer italic. Next question: what is the transfer of a material from one application to another in the computer is called answer dynamic data exchange. Next question: what is the process of computer to get information from the server on the internet? Answer it is called downloading. Next question: where do you click to move from one worksheet to another in Excel workbook? Answer sheet tab. Next question: dash is processed into information by computer. Answer data is processed. Next question: input device of personal computer is answer microphone and touchpad. Question: which represent 1 million bytes? Answer megabyte. Next question: hard disk are dash? Answer magnetic disk. Next question: what is the print of slide of a presentation called? Answer handout. Next question: computer is used to store data and calculate dash number system. Answer binary number system. Next question: which is a view in PowerPoint? Answer slide sorter view. Next question: what is a tuple? Answer one row of the table. Next question: which part of the computer helps to store information? Answer disk drive. Next question: cache memory is used as to remove the speed barrier between memory and processor. Question: which is the slowest internet connection service? Answer leased. Next question: the computer communicates directly. Answer hard drive. Next question: when the computer is turned off, the information written to it ends. What is that memory? Answer RAM. Next question: pen is drive. Answer an electronic memory. Next question: arithmetical operation. Answer include addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Next question: every email account has a storage area called what? Answer mailbox. Next question: there is alphanumeric data in the information system. Answer numbers and alphabetic characters. Next question: to combine two or more cells into a single cell is called dash. Answer merging.